Hi, this is Bill Pierce coming to you live from LCS 2010. Standing here at the Factory 5 booth with
Brian Zakurski. I'm in technical and sales department. This is the new Mark IV body.
Tell us a little bit about the new Mark IV. What kind of changes have they made?
Well, the back end of the car is 3.5 inches lower than the old one, so it's a lot lower, sleeker lines. The trunk's sleeker. We have hidden trunk hinges now to be closer to the original cars. Thinner diameter roll bars. We have nice rolled edges on the bodies. The Mark III's had kind of a flat lip, so just a lot of little revisions. The body bolts that help the side of the body on used to be behind the side pipe. They're hidden now. It wraps around. It's a nice clean look. See the hood, rivet on scoop.
Okay. Now, how much more is the Mark IV from the Mark III?
Same price.
Okay.
Just
And how are the sales of the Mark IV doing?
great. They've always been great. It's our #1 selling kit. It's between that and the 33 Ford right now. They're about half and half for the top selling kit.
And what do you say to people that aren't coming to this event? Didn't come to this event this year?
Hear that? That's a big block burning out. You're missing out. Good time. So
Now, how many years have you been coming?
this is my third.
Okay. And what's your favorite part about working at Factory 5?
All right.
Well, all the cars. I like them all. People ask me my favorite. They're all my favorite. I want one of each. I'm saving up. So
Cool. What's your screen name on the form?
it was FF Welder Z.
Excellent. Well, thanks for your time.
Thank you.
I'm Fred Kress from Pittsburgh, PA. We dabble in the GT40s, Cobras. Right now we're doing a Mark IV. It's, I'll get that for your site. Once we get it done, we're doing 7 Mark IVs. I'm doing a Super Performance R model right now, Mark I. I have a couple original cars, original GT40, original couple Shelbys, and so we're always making parts. We copy stuff dead nuts. Any part you want, give us a call. I'll give you my
What's the best way for people to get a hold of you?
my email is ChrisCobra@gmail.com.
Do you have a website?
There's CobraCountry.com/Cress.
Okay, I know you sell a lot of stickers and things that guys that already have completed cars. What kind of decals you guys sell?
Got anything you want, anything Ford related. We got just about anything.
How long
If
have
you
you
go
been?
to that site, that CobraCountry.com/Cress, you'll see the decals.
Okay. How long have you been doing this?
Late 60s.
Cool. Well, you're a legend, so I appreciate your time.
Yeah, legend in my own mind.
Well, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hey, I'm Bill Littleton with GC Performance Cars, and we do a backdraft roadster, and we're out of Hebron, Kentucky, right next to Cincinnati Airport.
Cool. Well, tell me a little bit about what you guys do.
Well, we get a rolling chassis in, and we have other companies that put the motor in and transmission and that sort, but we sell the rolling chassis.
So, customer wants to buy a backdraft, and you take care of the motor and the transmission and all that stuff. Get it running.
Well, we can arrange those arrangements, yes.
Okay. So you're just selling the rollers?
Yes.
Okay. What's a backdraft car costing?
The rolling chassis start off at $31,900, and we generally can get you in one about 42 to 44 and up.
Okay. How does someone find you guys?
Well, we're on the internet, Club Cobra, and it's www.gcperformancecars.com or gcperf.com.
What's your phone number?
859-630-9099.
Okay, well, thanks for your time.
Thank you.